So Bolt driver app, how to install. So just tap get and then double click to install and you should be able to install it. Drive and make money, earn more with low commission, make money when you like, stay safe behind the wheel. So yeah, this is the specifically app for drivers if you want to earn some additional cash. Similar as in Uber, there is Uber app and there is Uber driver. Here there's Bolt app and Bolt driver. So I often use Bolt app as for scooters, not like for bikes or scooters. So here you can then just try to create your account. So let's see what you need to do here. As you can see, this is not yet available in Denmark or some other countries. So for example, let's try it out. And then you can see that, yep, you can then just sign up as a driver and then sign up online and then upload your documents depending on your location. It can be like a taxi license, it can be a copy of your driver license. And if you don't have access to a car, we can connect you with a fleet partner who will offer you a vehicle to drive. Accept a ride request, pick up your passenger, drive to their destination, and that's the idea. And then you can just apply to drive with this app. So that's the idea.